There are many websites out there, but what separates from a well-designed one to a bad one? And what kind of websites make it very attractive to consumers? Well, the answer to that would be a very responsive website, or a website that is easy to navigate, or one that can provide answers that we are looking for, or things that allows us to get towards whatever we are trying to obtain. A responsive website does not necessarily mean a very well-designed website. As for example, the Gwinnett Technical College website. It's not the best, but one thing that we can say is that it's very responsive. You can tell that it's very responsive because when you minimize this screen and you of course expand it to a very respective size, as you try to shrink it down, right? You will start to see the website begins to conform to whatever the window is. It's not trying to cut things out at all. Another example is Amazon. It's a people might say it's a pretty well designed, it's pretty an okay designed um, you know, website. But it's not very well it's not a responsive website, because it doesn't try to conform to the screen at all. It just cuts things out and just leaves everything out as well. Like I can no longer see the Amazon Echo. I can't see anything else that they're trying to sell me. I have to maximize the screen back to where it was, basically. So this is what we'll go into later as an adaptive website. A responsive website, though, is very different from just a well-designed website, because a responsive website, it allows us to see different applications, or allows us to look at different websites on our phones, or even through any other device really, by allowing the website itself to be resized and allow images and content of it to move around, and or even disappear or hide. That's not very important.
Hello everyone, I'm Halen Hazard. Today we are going to take a look how implementing responsive website can be. The idea is how a website can be efficient and still have the best experience for visitors. When you think about implementing website, what does it mean for you? It means different thing for different visitors. Now we are going to invite you to go to through our PowerPoint, see what we need to know about it. That's the purpose for our topic. We talk about the website, how to respond nicely and still present the information in clear. These are two questions. Who is the audience and who will be used? What is needful? We got two different categories for audience. On one side, we got new visitors. For subscriptions, we got subscriber, and for free call is the one who already have an account to the website. The audience are visitors, and a visitor can be a new or the one who already has an account. Every single web designer want to see people subscribe to the website. That is the purpose to build a web for different offer of the services, such as newspapers or store website for shopping items. The visitors are looking for service to get a better result. For some concern that they have several things need to be booked an appointment, or why not buy something from the website. Secondly, they need the website for many reasons. On the one hand, we have people who want to subscribe to the website for the first time. When they arrive at the website, matter of the fact that they have never used the website before, they should find something for their interest. Otherwise, the website will not be responsive. On the other hand, people who are already on the list. The one thing a website designer wants to them to do is moving to the next step in their services. However, they still have the right to move forward or not. This is a completely different experience for somebody who has already subscribed from the website. The point is, website designer can optimize the whole website to be as efficient, and it is going to be possible for each visitors to get the best conversion depending on what those conversions are for new visitors. The conversions will be a subscriptions to website, and for all visitors will be staying on the website if possible. So that way the website is still being responsive and they keep improving services for the visitor. We got two examples for website, which one is responsive, which one is not. This is a responsive website. We take example for Publix. We got on the top of the logo Publix, we got sign and sign up. We got services offered by Publix. And when you go all the way down, you're gonna see the same option that you have services. That's all the items or whatever service that you want to get from the Publix. Look at the second example, which we call now responsive website. It was on 2014. These people, they create this website, but on the top they say call now, and we got a number. So what is the reason we gotta call them? And if we don't have any money showing, we can get something back from them. I mean services, and they have they repeated the same logo on the web page, which is not necessary. So on 2018, they make some improvement. So you can see over here, they keep that mistake when I talk about a logo, but there we are. We got service area. So which means everyone wanna go to this website to get idea, information, what he need as a service, he can get from that menu. That's very important for any responsive website.
Why would a company want to invest in a responsive website? Technology is around us every day. We have smartphones, laptops, tablets, and even smart cars. With technology continuously advancing to the point where we can basically do everything from our smartphones. Because technology is continuously evolving, even normal everyday websites need to stay updated with the newest add-in features that make it easier for users. Users want websites to be able to switch from each device smoothly and seamlessly without change or interruption. Because who wants to zoom in and out just to read information or have to open multiple tabs just to find what you're looking for? Responsive websites have a greater likelihood of ranking high in the SERPs. I'm sure you're wondering what the SERP is. The SERP is just your search engine results page. When I do a search for a website, if it's not in the first 5 results of the search, the probability of me clicking on your site, probably highly unlikely. The SERP ranking, in my experience, is very crucial in playing part in your website success, thereby having a good chance that the user will return. Google recommends having responsive website design patterns. In conclusion, having a responsive website can save you
money overall.